everybody, how are you doing? How are you guys doing? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, hello, I'm Oni. You're most definitely welcome. If you're a subscriber, thanks for coming back for me. So today in this video, I'm going to be doing a cook dinner with me video. So what we'll be having today for dinner is okra soup and swallow. So what we have for dinner depends on what we have available or what I make available, because I went to make this soup. That was why I had to go to the market and get the food stuff that I need to make the soup. But like yesterday, we ate rice and stew. The reason being that on Sunday, I made 2.5 cups of rice, which is what we usually make. But for some reason, we couldn't finish it on Sunday. We even ate it on Monday. It was still remaining yesterday evening, so we had to eat it as dinner. Okay, but sometimes if I make 3 cups of rice, we can finish it with it between Sunday and before Monday afternoon it's already finished. But this one, it varies, so it depends on, I don't know, I'm still trying to get the hang of it. I've not really mastered the art of knowing the quantity of food I'm supposed to cook, because this is our 4th month of marriage, and I'm just still trying to adjust to everything. So this soup I'm making now, I don't know how long it's going to last, but I made sure I bought small quantity of everything, because I just noticed that if I buy, I always buy large amount of ingredients. That's why it's always, my food is always too plenty. So I'm now making conscious efforts to reduce my hand when buying foodstuffs, things that I'm about to cook, so that it won't overstay. So this whole marriage process, it's a big change. It's a huge change for me, thinking about what we should eat, what are we going to eat. Sometimes I'm just you know what, we're going to eat indomie. And thank God for small messes, because my husband doesn't really bother about food. So anything you cook, so far is sweet. So far it's something he knows and it's sweet. So whether it's indomie, because I get that some people, their husband don't even eat indomie or all this spaghetti, and aside from indomie and spaghetti, it's not to be cooking soup every day. So all those kind of things, I'm just still trying to adjust my life and all that. So it has not been easy, but then some point I'll have to get used to it and all that. And I call it a drastic change, because before I never used to bother about what to eat or what to cook or what. It's not my job. Once you get home, there must be food at home. So but now I'm now the madam of the house, right? So I'll have to make arrangements for food to be in the house. It's not when everybody comes back in the evening we'll start doing boo, all those kind of things. So let's just start preparing the meal. These are the ingredients I got. I got ugu, that's the vegetable. Then I got okra. This okra is 200 naira okra. I got this fish. Is this smoked fish? I got the dried fish. I got the black dried fish, and then I got fresh pepper, and there's dried pepper too, but I'm going to be using the fresh pepper for this soup. And the meat is already on fire, and every other ingredient I need for this soup, I already have them at home, so there's no point buying excess of it. So done with the okra. I'm done with my meal preparation. This is the vegetables, the onion and the okra. I have salt, crayfish and seasoning cubes, then the red oil. Then here I pounded the pepper and that black thing, we call it obey in my side. I don't know what they call, but I will insert the name on the screen right now. So like the meat, the fish, and like the meat and the stockfish is currently boiling inside the pot. So when it's ready, like when it's well cooked, I'll now like make the soup. So the soup is ready. Can you see the steam coming out from the pot? It's still very hot. Well, I'll be waiting for you at the comment section. Come with your plates at the comment section and I'll give you from my pot. I'm waiting though. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up. If you are yet to subscribe, please click the subscribe button. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.